Going guys, welcome back to the YouTube video, and I'm doing an update video. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I'm doing one now. Starting off with the good stuff, the new deck and grip tape is on the skateboard now. So here it is, the Screaming Hand deck and Jessup grip tape, which is pretty cool. But moving on, you should all know Josh Davis, Jack Wrigley and Caden Ashman by now. Josh Davis and Caden Ashman have quit scootering, unfortunately. And Josh says Jack has quit as well, but I'm not too sure on that. I haven't talked to Jack or anything. I haven't talked to Caden either, actually, but we'll see how it goes for that. Also, I apologise for the scoot and skate session thing. Morgan hasn't been here. I know she was here in the mini board session thing, but after that, she had to go home for something. And she's still not here. Morgan! No, still not here, sorry. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. Sorry, but anyways, Fear did not come out for some reason. The thing said the YouTube has said video has uploaded. Shut up, I can sentence. Yeah, YouTube has said the video was uploaded, and I thought, oh, okay, good, because it's an 18-minute long one. I was like, oh, this is never gonna upload, is it? And I went to check the thing, and it's not there. So I just put it on upload again. So sorry about that. And handboarding videos as well. I completely forgot, because I'm a thick shit. But moving on, it's been suggested for me to do a Q&A, so leave in the comment section below for this video some Q&A questions for me to do, and I will answer them. Now I have two other things to say. One is that skateboarding, it's a thing. Anyway, you know the skateboarding videos I do, well, actually, I haven't done a skateboarding video, like a skate session. I've done a scooter session, but not a skate one. But anyway, I might do a video of that with Morgan eventually. Like I did with the mini board session. I'm going to do one of those because Morgan has a board as well. Do you know that? Have you been filled in with the knowledge? But yeah, I'll do a video on that, and what we'll do in that video is we'll go like spot hunting and that. You'll see it in the video, it'll be cool. And the other two. Well, not the other two, the other one. Which is that I might, well, not might, I am going to do, like a long flat ground. You know, I did the, scooter and, like, the scooter videos for me and Morgan. I'm going to do one of them for me on the skateboards, but I'm going to do it all flat ground. Because I've been trying this thing and it makes me, like, really sick. It'll be funny for you guys to watch me be weird. I quickly want to say before I do my next update thing, but if I end up messing up the outro, it's because my tablet has decided to take a shit on me. Whenever I do my outro, I can't press the thing properly for some fucking reason. Yeah, the next two things are new series. One is the mini board sessions. Yeah, we done one, and I put mini board sessions because I'll probably do a bunch of those. Oh, and if you saw a little girl in the background, that's my little sister again. She's being annoying. But yeah, the second new series maybe could be. I might do this, but I'm not too sure yet. I might start doing day in the life for some reason, because I don't know, just why not. I might do one of those tomorrow and then do the handboarding because it's late now. I forgot to do it because I'm thick as shit. But anyway, that basically was the update video, guys. Quick recap: new series, a bunch of new series. Sorry for the delay in some of the videos as well. YouTube is taking a shit on me, and so is my tablet. And I think that's pretty much all I said. Oh yeah, one more thing, I need some suggestions for Minecraft because I don't know what to do in it. But yeah, you're probably going to have to rewind in the video because I can't remember everything they said. Because something's happening to my head, I think. I banged it twice yesterday trying to ollie 5 stairs. But, well, I say ollie, I mean front side 180 him. Because, come on. I honestly, I never ollied the 5 stairs, I rolled off them. You probably know that already. But yeah, anyway, that basically this update video, guys. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, hit like button, leave a comment below, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, this is what I meant when I said the button's not working. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, hit like button, leave a comment below, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Yep, it's not working again. It always happens. So that basically does it for this update. It's like my old gaming videos, isn't it? And Kira's in the background. So now I'm going to try and not mess up the outro. So yeah guys, if you like the video, hit like button, leave a comment below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.